Today I'm making a mosaic collage inspired by the art of Alma Woodsey Thomas. I have a piece of construction paper and I have a circle tracing template, which I'm going to place right in the middle of my paper. And then I'm going to trace a circle onto my construction paper. So there's my circle, and then I'm going to write my name in the corner with the pencil as well. Now I'm done with the pencil. Next, I'm going to choose some strips of paper. I want you to pick at least 4. That means you can pick 4 or more. I picked 5. And all of these colors remind me of something in nature. So I'll tell you what they remind me of as I go. I'm going to choose my blue strip first. My blue strip reminds me of rain in the spring. And I'm going to tear little pieces off the strip just like this to make my mosaic collage. I'm going to start my collage by applying glue right in the middle in a circular motion, so a circle of glue, so that I can lay down my construction paper pieces in a circular pattern. Alma Woodsey Thomas did a lot of circular pattern paintings that were based on the colors of nature, and so we're doing something similar. Now I'm done using this blue strip, so if I'm done with it, I'm just gonna save it, put it aside, or put it back in the bucket for somebody else to use. I'm definitely not going to crumple it up and throw it away because it's still good. Now, you might be using a glue stick, and then you might also be using some glue in a cup with a paintbrush, so I'm just gonna show you both ways that I apply glue. So if you get a cup of glue with a brush, you'll just dip your brush in and spread the glue onto the paper as if it's paint. And again, we're doing it in a circular pattern. So going around in a circle, filling up that circle that we traced onto the paper. Now my next color, green, reminds me of the green grass and the green leaves that pop out after the rain in the spring. So all my colors have a meaning. And again, I'll save that extra green piece. Put down a little more glue. Again, in a circle. Purple reminds me of the crocuses and the irises that pop up in my garden in the springtime. They're some of the first flowers to come up. Next, I'm using pink. And pink reminds me of the pink roses that come out in my garden in late June, early July. And then last but not least, the outer ring of my circle here, I have some red, and the red reminds me of the raspberries that grow in my garden in the late summer. So my artwork, the colors represent lots of things that happen in my yard and the garden in the springtime. Rain, grass, flowers, and raspberries. Last but not least, I'm going to do the shake test just to see if I glued everything down okay. It looks good.